guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am going to be cleaning out my refrigerator because as you can see it is a very hot mess. I am gonna go ahead and clear everything out, get rid of things that we no longer need, and anything that is expired I'm gonna go ahead and toss out. So if you're interested, please go ahead and keep on watching, and don't forget to hit that like button. And if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe, and I hope you enjoy the video.
Because you're acting like a volcano, tending to be my savior. Nothing you do can save us, save us. Because you're acting like a volcano and make me feel outrageous. You keep teasing me, but you're nothing with it.
So I didn't realize how much expired things I had in the refrigerator. It looks like we just been stuffing things in there, and I am so embarrassed that I've kept it in there for so long, but I am so happy that I have the chance to finally clear everything out and be able to start fresh. So hopefully this will give me more room, and I just can't wait to be able to open the fridge and feel at ease, because honestly this was really giving me anxiety. Does this give you anxiety when you see a messy fridge? Because it definitely does for me.
To make you see, this is nothing to real life, it might just a very bad dream. You can run, you can hide, but you can't put the blame on me. Because you're acting like a volcano, tending to be my savior. Nothing you do can save us, save us. Because you're acting like a volcano and make me feel outrageous. You keep teasing me, but you're nothing with it.
So now that I was able to wipe down all the shelves, I'm gonna go ahead and add everything back in and have it all organized. And once I am done with that, I am going to go ahead and start with the door of the refrigerator and get that all cleaned up and reorganized as well.
hear you breathe, but I can't see if you're right here next to me. Something's wrong, wasn't it fun? Is it now we're done? You get dressed, I look a mess, and you tell me to confess, and you tell me to confess. Oh, I don't know what to say, what to do, how to make you see. This is nothing in real life, it might just have been a bad dream. You can run, you can hide, but you can't put the blame on me. Because you're acting like a volcano, tending to be my savior. Nothing you do can save us, save us. Because you're acting like a volcano and make me feel outrageous. You keep teasing me, but you're nothing without running fast, never look back. Now we're over, that's a fact. Phasing light, see it all bright. You were never right. Back to life, I apologize. Too soon to say I'm fine. Too soon to say I'm fine. Oh, I don't know what to say, what to do, how to make you see. This is nothing in real life, it might just have been a bad dream. You can run, you can hide, but you can't put the blame on me. Because you're acting like a volcano, tending to be my savior. Nothing you do can save us, save us. Because you're acting like a volcano and make me feel outrageous. You keep teasing me, but you're nothing without
Okay guys, so I am all done. I was able to clean everything out, got rid of a lot of things, and everything is all organized and I feel so much better. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and I will see you in the next one. Bye!